In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the username or password is incorrect error on Spotify app. So if you are experiencing this login error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so if you're trying to enter your username and password but you are told that it is incorrect, then counter check and then see that you are entering the correct details. Check if you are using an email or a username, make sure it is correctly spelled, and for your password also you can just tap on this I to reveal the password that you have entered to confirm if it is correct. If that does not work, then try and see if you normally log in with either your Facebook or with Google or Apple ID. Try and use the other alternative just to confirm if that is your login method. In most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. However, if they don't work and you know that you have your correct details that you have been using, then most likely the problem might be with Spotify app, and for that we need to troubleshoot it. To do this, go to settings, and from settings scroll down until you see apps. Under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Spotify and now tap on it, and then go to for stop app to stop any background activities that might be causing this error. Then go to clear data and clear cache, and again clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone, and here and now if you go to your Spotify app, now you'll have an option to log in afresh using your details that you normally use. In most cases, this should fix your problem, but should this not work, then you need to go to Google Play Store and find if we have any update for Spotify app. Should you have any update your app to the latest version, and now you should be able to use your app without any issue. However, at this point, if you're still unable, then check on your phone and ensure that you're not using any proxy app or any VPN app. If that is the case, most likely that is the reason you are unable to log in. Also, if you have any security app that you recently installed available on your phone, you may want to uninstall it and now try logging into your Spotify, and any of this now should have fixed your problem. So let me know which of this was able to solve or to fix your issue with Spotify app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.